pollution, volcanic eruption release forest gases including sulfur dioxide, which can cause respiratory problems. Water pollution, volcanic ash and chemicals can contaminate water. Thank you. Air pollution, volcanic eruption release forest gases, which sulfur dioxide, which can cause respiratory problem. Water pollution, volcanic ash and chemicals can contaminate water.
Morning to everyone. My name is Vedarian. I am from grade 5. This is my project, units of time. There are seconds, minutes, hours, days and months, years are there in the time. Smallest unit is equal to second. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 28 to 31 days is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. And 100 years is equal to 1 century.
I'm Fiyata Bassam. I'm Varshini. We are from grade 9. Our project is respiratory system. First, air will enter to nostrils, then nasal cavity, and it will enter to epiglottis. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure. It prevents food to enter into windpipe. Then it will enter to pharynx, then larynx. Larynx is also known as voice box. Then it will enter to trachea. It is also known as windpipe. Then it will enter to bronchi. Bronchi is divided into two branches, bronchioles. Bronchioles are having alveoli. Alveoli contains sac-like structure, which are also called as air sacs, which helps in exchange of gases. The oxygenated blood passes through every cell of the body and it will enter into alveoli. Then it will goes to bronchioles to bronchi, then trachea. From trachea it will goes to larynx and then pharynx. It will goes to then nasal cavity and carbon dioxide will come out from nostrils. The whole passage from nostrils to alveoli is warm and wetter. This is how respiratory system works. Thank you. I am Monashi of grade 9. We will explain about carbon dioxide is present in exhale air. Take a lime water in test tube. Blow the air in test tube with the help of straw. When lime water contact with carbon dioxide, it changes into milky white. So we can say carbon dioxide is present in exhale air. Thank you.
We are from grade 6. Our project is lift irrigation.
Irrigation is and there are many types of irrigation. Today we will explain about drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is the area of water scarcity.
It is a micro irrigation system.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The system consisting of the laser transmitter and receiver. The receiver, when someone interrupt, then it will break the laser beam and the detect the interpretation and detect the analog. My friend continued. Benefits: little intruders. The laser beam and the alarm can secure all a potential intruders. Earlier warning. It provides earlier warning of potential intruders. Peace of mind. Homeowners can feel peace and more secure and safe. Now, my friend Nasma has to continue the explanation.
Conclusion: a laser-led home security system is an innovative and effective way to protect your home from thieves. Its advanced features and benefits make it a great investment for homeowners who want to ensure their safety and security. Thank you.
My name is Vishala. My name is Janavi. We are from grade 6. This is our project name is Importance of Air in Burning the Candle. The main aim of our project to show the importance of air in burning the candle. Further, we use materials like matchbox, candle and glass. Light the candle using matchbox and place the glass over the candle. Now observe what's happened. The flame will exit due to the lack of air. So air is necessary for burning to occur. Without oxygen, air cannot occur. Thank you.
Manor. I am from grade 8. Today I am explaining about hydraulic mechanism of a wheel. The fluid pressure which is present in the cylinder, it will lift up the fan up and down. This is my problem.
నేను అలేఖ్య 7వ తరగతి విద్యార్థిని. నేను ఫరాజ్ సుల్తాన్ 7వ తరగతి విద్యార్థిని. నేను బృహతి 7వ తరగతి విద్యార్థిని. ఉగాది పండుగ ప్రాధాన్యత. ఉగాది పండుగ తెలుగు వారి నూతన సంవత్సరాలు. ఇది చైత్ర మాన పంచాంగం ప్రకారం వస్తుంది. ఇది చైత్ర శుక్ల పాడ్యం నాడు ఈ పండుగ జరుపుకుంటాము. సాధారణంగా మార్చి చివరిలో ఏప్రిల్ ప్రారంభంలో ఈ పండుగ జరుపుకుంటాము. మిగతా సమాచారం నా స్నేహితురాలు ఫరాజ్ సుల్తానా చెప్పబోతుంది. ఉగాది పండుగ సాంస్కృతిక ప్రాధాన్యత. ఈ కుటుంబాలు జరుపుకునే పండుగ. ఇల్లును శుభ్రం చేసి అలంకరించి కొత్త దుస్తులు ధరిస్తారు. మామిడి తోరణాలతో ఇంటి గుమ్మానికి కడతారు. ఇది శుభప్రదంగా భావిస్తారు. మిగతా సమాచారం నా స్నేహితురాలు. ఈ పండుగలో ముఖ్యమైనది ఉగాది పచ్చడి. ఇది జీవితంలోని వివిధ రుచులను సూచిస్తుంది. ఇందులో పులుపు, ఉప్పు, వగరు, కారం, తీపి, చేదు అనే 6 రుచులు ఉంటాయి. ఇది రాబోయే సంవత్సరంలో ఎదురయ్యే వివిధ అనుభవాలను. పంచాంగ శ్రవణం. మరొక ముఖ్యమైన ఆచారం పంచాంగ శ్రవణం. ఇది రాబోయే సంవత్సరానికి భవిష్యత్తు తెలియజేస్తుంది. ఈ సంవత్సరం మనం విశ్వావసు అనే కొత్త సంవత్సరం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. విశ్వావసు అంటే అదృష్టం. ఈ సంవత్సరంలో ఉగాది పండుగ మార్చి 30వ తేదీ ఆదివారం నాడు వస్తుంది. ధన్యవాదాలు.
My name is Zahid Raza from grade 6.
My name is Krizika from grade 6.
My name is Sri
I am Sagar from grade 6.
My name is Sri Chandana. I am from grade 6.
Today's our science day project is digestive system working order. So first of all, what is meant by digestion?
The process of breaking down food in our body so that can give us energy is called digestion. Mouth. First food enters to the mouth. With the help of the teeth, it will chew here and it's sent to
Esophagus. Food passes through the esophagus, a muscular tube that uses peristalsis and drops food to the stomach. Liver. Liver releases juice into the stomach. The stomach uses acids to break down proteins and fats. Pancreas releases pancreatic juice into the stomach.
small intestine. It absorbs the most of the nutrition here.
Large intestine. Water absorption and waste storage is taken place in large intestine.
Anus. More waste is eliminated through the anus. Thank you.